I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove Toyota Yaris seats, easy method. Disconnect the battery and slide the seat fully back before removing trim. Unplug seat connectors and label each plug for reinstallation so reconnection is simple. Use a 14 mm socket to remove front bolts and a 14 mm or 12 mm for rear bolts if needed. Keep bolts organized and check for hidden screws under covers. Work on a flat surface and wear gloves for grip. Gather a 14 mm socket, ratchet, trim tools, and a flashlight before you start. Wear gloves and eye protection to stay safe while you lean into tight spots. Remove floor mats and clear the center console area to access bolts easily. Take photos of connector orientations so reconnection is simple and quick. Label each bolt group and store in small bags to avoid mix-ups. Keep children and pets away while you work. Slide the seat fully forward and backward to access all bolts, then remove trim covers carefully. Use the 14 mm socket to remove the 4 primary seat bolts while supporting the seat to prevent tipping. Disconnect electrical connectors under the seat and release any clips gently with trim tools, labeling connectors as you go. With a helper, tip the seat and lift it out through the door at an angle. Store the seat safely and inspect floor bolts for corrosion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.